Roger, you got a power reading for us there, Gino?
I hope. Okay, I'll give you a power reading external if you want it. I'll give you cap is still about 1.7 and power is about 1.8.
Hey, we got
external.
A picture, 17. We have a picture.
Yep. Oh, beautiful, babe. It's all yours. I hope it moves now.
It does.
I hope it moves. You'll find out. Hey, it moves. It's alive.
And,
okay, Bob, I'm going to get SRC-1.
Okay, could we have a EMU check on you fellows when convenient?
Okay, Commander is 3.8 plus. I must be 80% and no flags and no tones.
Copy that.
Okay, the LMP is about 80, let me see, 75, about 80%, and no flags, no tones. I got 83%.
Okay, copy that, and you sure got a lot of stuff on the rover already.
Yeah, and Mag, Helen has just gone into the bag, into the seat.
Copy that.
Mag, Cynthia's in there. Okay, Bob, SRC-1 is open. Gail is in. Hey, Jack, watch these SRCs. They don't like to lock on this table very well. They never have.
Okay, and Jackie, do you get Mag?
Okay.
Charlie as well?
That's affirmed.
Okay, and we did not copy your cuff gauge reading down here.
Oh, you didn't? Maybe that's because I didn't give it to you. 3.9. No wonder that's so much work.
Go ahead, copy that.
Okay, Bob, SRC-1 is, well, you sure will stay on a mesa over there. Let me try that. Okay, that'll stay there. Okay, Bob, it's closed. Sure doesn't seem like it wants to stay there, though. And the organic sample has been sealed.
Copy that.
I guess you believe we're here now, huh?
Now we believe you're here. We see you in person.
Okay, Bob, the SRC cover will not stay closed. It just slowly springs up. There's nothing I can seem to do for it. I might be able to set something on blanket on top or something.
Okay, stand by on that. We'll get back with you.
Okay, I'm putting, yeah, it just flops open. I'm taking SCB-1 to the tool gate.
Copy that.
I'll get me a hammer and I'll give you a gravimeter reading. No, you won't. Until you're done. I'll go get the flag then. Guess what? We're here again. Buddy Fliss is on a rover. Okay. ETB. Okay, CDR's camera film magazine I had to work on a little bit to get it to work, but it's working.
Copy that.
If I get that camera, you can punch the gravimeter, I think. Okay? Get the camera and I'll give him a gravimeter reading. Is that all you need? Because I'll go get the flag. Okay, you better let that, yeah, but why don't when you go, let me get some tongs, too. We need to salvage those, okay? Scissors. steady the rover and punch. Okay, Bob? Mark, gravimeter and the light is flashing.
Okay, we copy that.
Oh, bury me not on a lone prairie where the coyotes howl in a windblown tree. Okay, where am I? You're doing the gravimeter, getting the flag. I got your camera. I'm going to salvage the scissors. Okay, get the scissors and I'll be putting the flag in. And don't go near the rover. Don't go near the water. That reminds me of a good book. Oh, boy. I can't go near the rover. Let me tell you, no. I can't go near the rover. Why don't you set them, how about you let me stick these in your pocket with your... No, set them up there. Just set them in there. We'll get them when we come back here. Okay. Tell you what I'm going to do. Just set them inside the... Put them in the, I'm going to hang them here on a hook. Okay, that's good. Right there. Okay, Jack. How about the flag right over here in this little mound? Which mound? Yeah, let me take a look over here. How about right up there on that little high point? Right up in here where I'm going. Yeah. Of course, your idea of a high point might be different than mine. I meant the north and the east. That's probably the best place in the world for the flag is right up on the top. Okay, let me come over and help you. About right? About right? Well, we'll find out how much reckless we got in a minute. Yeah. Hey, you're in the edge of a crater, though. That's no test. Yeah, that's all right. Move right over here near your tire tracks. Yeah, this is a high point right here. That's good. Right there. Well, that wasn't too bad. Okay, let me give it a few whacks. Oh, baloney. Okay. Watch your fingers. Well, that wasn't too bad. Want to make sure it stands up. Let's get pretty still. Well, how far we could go. Don't know how far we could go, but I think you hit something solid with that one. No, it was still going. Yeah, but did you ever see it vibrate like that? I've never put a flag up in the moon before. What? Pull that end. You're going to have to get it down to my level. Tall guys are all alike. Wait, I'm not through. Okay. How about getting it stretched out here? I will. I just can't start forward as fast as I'd like to. Hate to touch it. My hands are so dirty. Okay? Well, it's going to want to curl. Maybe it'll, that's what it looks like it's waving in the breeze. Yes, sir. How about right there? Take a couple this way and we'll take a couple that way. How's that? Oh, let me get over to the other side. You got the rover in the background. Yeah, in the limb. It does wave when you do that.
We got a beautiful picture, you guys, up down there.
Let me tell you, Bob, this flag is a beautiful picture. You see that? Okay, it's partially covering the rover, but I think it's a pretty good shot. How's that? Let me get the focus right. I don't want to put it. There you go. Wait a minute. All right, I got you reaching for the flag. How's that? That's very good, Gene. Let me get it in stereo. Houston, that's beautiful. This has got to be one of the most proud moments of my life, I guarantee you. Let's get a close-in one and we'll trade cameras. Houston, I don't know how many of you are aware of this, but this flag has flown in the Moker since Apollo 11. And we very proudly deploy it on the moon to stay for as long as it can in honor of all those people who have worked so hard to put us here and put every other crew here and to make the country, the United States and mankind, something different than it was.
Roger 17, and presuming to speak on behalf of some of those who work in the Moker, we thank you very much.
Back right where you were. I'll step to the right. Right there. All right, I'll keep it down. Stay there. Get closer. Let me get on the other side. Well, I want to get something here. What's that? I want to get the Earth. Oh, okay. Let me get over on this side. I don't think it's going to... They're a little close, maybe. Have them both in focus. That might do her. Try that one time. Then we'll give up and get to work. Line it up a little, yeah. Let me try again, okay? I don't know, Gino. Okay? Let me get over here closer to you. Okay. That might have got it. Okay, very good. Okay. All right. Let's do it. You think your gravimeter's ready so I can go back there?
Roger 17, the perimeter is ready. And a couple of words here. One, I presume you found the scissors, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Not Ron's, we found ours.
Roger. And the second thing is we do want the SRC closed. And if you can partially latch it, I'm not quite sure that's easily done. That would be one solution. The other would be to put something on top of it to hold it closed.
Okay, Bob, I'll find something.
Okay, copy that. One of the brackets off the mesa would be something, or a rock that's nearby is another possibility.
Okay, Gene, what are you going to be up to now? I'm going to go get the... pallet? Pallet. Okay, why don't I give the old inspection here a bit? I really ought to have my camera, shouldn't I? I need
Roger, that's
something on this. What would you just... Yeah, I'll find something. Take the old CDR's camera. Not a bad camera to take. Jack, I'm going to take the old gunny sack here and put it over. That'll hold it down.
I presume you're talking about the big bag, Gene?
Yeah, the big bag there was on a ladder hook. That's all it needs. It's just a little bit. There's just enough spring force in it. Okay, Houston, I think you've had all the good words about the limb. We have never flown a better limb. I guess that's safe enough to say. The quads look great. Those steerables were aimed right at you. Rendezvous radar's in good shape. It's parked, looks like parallel to Z. just about perfectly. There's no visible, I'm on the 3 o'clock position, plus Y. No visible contamination. There's a little bit of discoloration of the plume shields. And that shows up in the forward foot pad at any rate, or did. It looks like he may have hit tail first a little bit. That's embedded to the full pad depth. I see no, oh, Mike George, Gene, you may have had it first. I think you stroked that thing. Stroke what? The rear landing gear. We can measure it, find out. I'll take a picture of it. May have stroked it. The mylar, the lower orange mylar is folded a little bit.
Roger, there's words floating around down here about typical Navy landings, but I'm not sure whether we believe it or not.
All right, he caught his tail hook. Hey, Bob.
That's the best way.
That's the way. Just behind the limb in that fairly fresh crater, I picked up an example of the kind of gabbro I was talking about, and I'll stick it in the big bag, except the big bag's disappeared. Okay, I got to give you a reading, Bob, if you're ready.
Ready.
You put the big bag up. 670-003-101. That's 670-003-101.
Okay, we copy that.
Jag, I put that there to hold the SRC dock. All right, I just put a sample in it. It's in the bottom of the bag. It's about 8 by 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters, slightly tabular.
Okay, we copy that from the big bag.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, Bob, a mark on gravity.
Copy that.
And a light flashing.
Copy that.
I got to tell you, Bob, I haven't done everything there is to do in the Navy, but deploying that flag has got to be the most proud thing I'll ever do in my life. If you could see you and you could see it from where we are, I know you'd feel the same way.
Roger on that, Gino.
God, he's pretty up there. God, you're pretty up there over the South Massif. Beautiful. Hope nobody saw that. Beautiful. Oh, they were watching me. Those finks. Okay. You aren't doing anything with the gravimeter on here, I hope. No, it's on the deck. Okay.
Okay, you might grab me a frame gun when you put it on there, Jack.
Too late, Bob.
Okay.
I'll get that later.
We'll get it later. No hurry.
Okay, now I can figure out how to get this off. You gotta educate us again. We may not remember those. Oops. Bob, the step is in hand.
Roger on that.
Okay, I'll give you a temperature. See whether it fits. I bet it does. Come on, lock, baby. Okay, it's on.
Copy that.
Locked.
Roger.
Okay. Bob, here's the temperature for you. 40 degrees.
Say again.
40.
Copy that.
Close cover. Okay, number one. Something over here. Never did figure out what. Okay, Okay, Bob, the shade is deployed facing deep space.
Oh, copy. Roger. Understand the cosmic ray.
Okay, Bob, the antenna is deployed. It's not on the post yet, but it's deployed. Uh-oh, come on, don't get all caught on something. That's better. That's better. Okay, Bob, I think just about got the sun side deployed just as perpendicular to the sun as I think anybody could do.
Okay, copy that. Good enough.
Okay, I don't have any pictures yet, so you might put that down as something to get later.
Yeah, we'll catch that on the pan next EVA or something like that.
Edit. Boy, if that antenna doesn't get some noise from outer space, I don't know what will. If they're out there, and they are, I'm sure, they'll see that one. That's even weirder looking out here than it is in the high bay. Hey, Bob, before I leave the ALSEP, remind me to check the cosmic ray. I might hit it here in the process of deployment.
Okay, try not to.
I got a little close.
Okay.
Oh, I will. Okay. The doors are open. Beautifully. I don't know what talent you have for landing in holes, Cernan, but once again, I'll be doing all the ALSEP work in the hole.
Are you saying we still should have kept the pulleys there, Jack?
Yeah, I need the pulleys. Bob, I got a little bit of a problem here. I got the SEP connector on, but it'll slide down in, but the locking cover just won't go over.
Roger, Gino, understand, and it slides in far enough you think it's aligned, huh?
Yeah, I'm positive it's aligned. It just doesn't appear to lock over. Well, not appear, it just won't lock over. I'm shoving it home. Okay, I got it.
Okay, copy.
I got it. Makes everyone happier.
I'm glad we had the right solution to that one, Gino.
05. The right solution is the fact that you got a man here doing it. Okay. Hey, Bob, the ECA temp monitor switch is on.
Copy that.
There's an easy way and a hard way to do everything. I don't know why we don't pick the easy way. Okay, RTG's on the surface.
Copy that.
And the central station is... Hey, Paul, these things, Gene's little pitch up makes these things slide out by themselves almost.
Better thank him next time you see him.
Okay. Hey, Jack, you notice there's none of those guys up there holding those hoses as we go around the limb? What do you mean? I saw one just a minute ago. Okay, Bob, you want 4, 5, 6, and 7.
That's affirmative.
Okay, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's coming off.
Roger on that.
Okay. Just took time out for a snack and a little water. Come on.
Okay.
Okay. How's the TV?
Beautiful. To coin a phrase, it's a panoramic scene of beauty.
Oh, come on now, Bob. Say, Bob, what do you think of the terrain?
Looks flat. Looks very flat and smooth.
That's why you're an astronomer. That's why you're... Oh, well. Okay, I'll give you a reading on the TGE if you're ready.
Roger, ready.
Oh, don't get dust on it. Oh, if I could read it down here. Oh, okay. Oh, Bob. Bob, you're going to have to bear with me. When I leaned over to punch it, I hit gravity instead of read, so I guess I got to wait it out.
Okay, we'll start the timer again.
Okay, I should have been more careful. Okay. Orient pallet to the sun. If you can see it, it's directly at the sun, so that ought to be good.
Okay, copy that.
The SRC doesn't have to be all the way closed, does it?
No, not all the way, just as long as it's most of the way closed. You can have a crack there in the top.
Okay, that's what it is. Man, I'll tell you, this thing got low all of a sudden. How you coming, Jack?
Great.
Did you get it fueled yet?
Oh, no.
Okay. Coming soon, though. Let me know if you have any problems with that.
Oh, I will.
Okay. Come on, back. You're all I got. Man, there we go. Da-dee-dee-dee. Bob, that gravimeter went right to a steady. It blinked once, went right steady, so I don't expect it'll be too long.
Okay, I'll give you a call in a couple of minutes and it'll be done.
Okay.
And Jack, I understand you have the RTG fueled.
Negative.
Okay.
I'm supposed to call you when I have it fueled.
Okay.
Jack, do you have am I missing a map I should have up here? There should be 2 maps. They're under the seat. Oh. I put in there so they wouldn't bounce off. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. Okay, I got them. Hello, Houston?
Hello, Challenger.
I wish I'd go back and make that landing about 6 or 7 times so I could take in all that I missed. So do I. I might as well stayed at the Cape. Okay. Let's see. Core bore, neutron flux. And I'll get the
Okay,
drill and
and
I'll go
you
back
might wander by the gravimeter. I think
that's-
it might be done by now. You might just check the light, see if it's steady or on or not.
Okay, I'll go by there right now, Bob. reference, Bob. The dome removal tool doesn't... It'll turn. Oh, shoot. Okay, Bob. Let's see, it's not lit. Can I take a reading?
Right, get the lights out. Give us a reading.
Well, let's see if I can put your right button this time. Okay, it's 670-017-201. 670-017-201, and it was about 75% in the shade of the rover.
Okay, I copy that. And now we're ready for bias.
Now, okay, a bias coming at you on the ground, correct?
Roger.
It's blinking, Bob.
Okay, copy that.
I've got the core bag and a neutron plug. I need your hammer. Okay. You need my help. Okay, coming over. What's the problem? Well, the dome removal tool never latched into the dome, but it turned it. I think it's pretty badly chewed up. I'm not sure what happened. Okay. Let me have your hammer, because I'm going to have to pry off the dome. Get you, no, I've stripped it, I think. I didn't think I could do it. Oh, wait a minute, let me get it stripped. Now, see, but it's open. Wait a minute, see? No, wait, see? Just put your blade in there. Don't touch it. Put the blade in there and pry. It'll come. I hope. Be careful. Here, let me get it once from this side. Wait a minute. Dean, don't get so close. Move your hand. There, you got it. Nice work. It's off. It's off. Nice work. Whew.
Roger. Once again, we have the right solution.
I'm not sure, Bob, what happened. You might ask them that if you only partially get the dome removal tool on, if you can strip the whole thing out.
Okay,
it doesn't
we'll
make
look at
much
it.
difference anymore.
We'll make sure it's changed on the next dome removal tool.
Bob, I'm just taking a breather.
Okay, we're watching you.
That was a strange one, Gene. Did you see how I mangle that thing? Yeah. Okay, RTG is out. Don't trip. Wouldn't think of it. Okay, where was I? I got to go back and get the drill if I'm not mistaken. Yes, sir. And then I'll be caught up with the TGE. Okay, Houston. The RTG is inserted.
Okay, copy that.
That is. Bob, I'll give you my word. Before we leave here, I'll make sure that the SRC is closed.
Okay, copy that. As long as it's got only an inch or two showing there should be no problem. That looks fine.
Well, I'm going to put something on it to get it down to that far.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that came out like a dream. Man, is this mesa low when you go... Come on, baby. SEQ bay doors are closed.
I copy that.
And I'm checking out the cosmic ray. Cosmic ray looks good.
Beautiful.
Oh, I snuck a quick peek at the drill and it does work. What in the world is that? That's Ron. Ron, that's Ron. Got his VHF on that thing. Hey, you might tell Ron we can hear him. Okay. Drill LMT seat with seatbelt. Bob, you still with us? Okay, the ALSEP is put together in a barbell mode. And Charlie Duke, I have checked it, and it is locked. Hello there, Ron. If you read, we're reading you. Well, we're off to see the wizard. Hey, do you need me, Gene? Nope. I'm going to go deploy an ALSEP. Have at it. First, I got to find an ALSEP site. Don't fall into Camelot. Okay, Bob, I'd like to read the TGE.
Roger, you're ready to read the TGE, or we are.
Oh, you won't believe it. You did it again. Oh, there goes a fender. Oh, shoot. Bob, I'm moving down sign. Well, I'll get that in a minute. I'm moving down sign, and where we've walked, we stir up darker material, just slightly, but it's darker. The same old thing that the most regulars have.
Okay, copy that. You got a bias reading there, Gene?
Yeah, I'm giving it to you right now. 337-454-001. That's 337-454-001.
Okay, we copy that.
And I have to say it, but I'm going to have to take some time and try. I'm going to have to try and get that fender back on.
Okay, was it the rear fender, Gino?
Yeah, I caught it with my hammer, and it just popped right off. Bob, for future reference, it's a piece of cake putting a TGE on and off.
Okay, copy that.
Jack, is the tape under my seat? Do you remember?
Yes.
I may need it. Okay. Let's say my hydroxide canister to middle. I'm in Max cooling. And you're wobbling around like a... How you doing? Oh, fine. It's just, it's work going out here. Yeah, I bet it is. Just take it easy. I am. I'm going to be a little bit behind you if I have to work on that fender anyway.
Yeah, you can walk a bit more slowly than you're walking.
Okay, more and more. What's that?
I said you can walk more slowly than you started out anyway.
Bob, texturally, some of these rocks that I believe are the gabbros have a texture not unlike a welded tough, but I know they're not, but they've got some modeled characteristic to them I haven't yet figured out. Well, if it wasn't for that fender, I'd be ready to go. Makes me sort of mad.
I say there, Jack, that looks like a big rock out there beyond you.
That's the one we were talking about earlier.
We believe you now.
Well, I've done this in training. I can't say I'm very adept at putting fenders back on, but I sure don't want to start without it. my block. Oh, well, I'll get it on a rock, or I'll retrace your steps. Don't worry about that. I'll be able to, there are enough rocks around, I can use it.
Copy that, Jack. And Gene, if you're having trouble with that fender and you think it might be easy with two guys, you could wait till you get out to the ALSEP site.
No, sir, I got it on, but a little piece of the rail is cracked off, and I'm just going to put a couple pieces of good old-fashioned American gray tape on it, see whether we can't make sure it stays, because I don't want to lose it.
Okay, EVA, go ahead. Okay, I was going to suggest that Jack pick up that second block that dropped off the central station. It's a lot easier to pick it up. Here's 500.
Chucked good old-fashioned
They may be going way faster by now, though.
Didn't want to stick very well. I've not seen any sign of layering in any of the craters. In their walls.
Okay, copy that.
The rocks still seem to be the pinkish gray gabbro out here.
Right, ALSEP. Go ahead, ALSEP. All right, they're going to pick up every block on the way out.
Loader dust covered fender.
There's one of the 7-degree block that goes underneath the central station.
Okay,
you started getting a rock.
I think it'll stay for an indefinite period of time right now.
Can't the commander pick it up on the way out with the rover? Well, he could if he wanted to stop and get off. I don't really think it's worth it, is it?
Not bad for EV-12. Can you see me, Bob?
We're watching Gene right now. You disappeared out of sight a long while ago, Gina. Hey, you just came into sight again, Jack.
Hey, leave me enough room to deploy the heat flow. I'm going to. I'm looking for a place away from craters and rocks. That's why I didn't land up there. Okay, I think I got a place. And I think it'll also give you a spot for the neutron flux that's sheltered from the RTG.
Okay, you say you have a place like that, Jack?
Well, pretty much, I think, Bob.
Okay.
Let me work on it here a little more.
Okay, and right now you're about 10 minutes behind the timeline, Jack.
Okay. Bob, I'm only going to spend another minute or two on the fender. We'll catch up. I never thought I'd be out here doing this. Well, I tell you, okay, I'm going to go back this way. Central Station can be near a crater. It'll be pretty good. That'll put the lean right out over there, which is probably all right. The perimeter out over there, which is probably all right. Try to put your drill holes a little too close to that rock, though. Bob, ask Mark if he's worried about rocks as much as craters.
Okay, stand
I got
by.
a rock about 2 meters in diameter, partially buried. That one of the probes may be near.
Stand by and define near.
Well, it could be 10 feet.
Okay.
Well, I can move a little more south, I guess.
Okay, and Jack, it seems like if you're about 3 meters from the rock, that's no problem.
Okay. Okay, this is it.
Okay, copy that.
I tell you, the block, South of east. Okay. Shoot. What's wrong? Well, it's just about impossible. Bob, it looks like the probes are going to be in a shallow depression. I'll try to improve that a little. It's not a real crater, it's just a shallow depression.
Stand by. Stand by on that, Jack, a minute. That may be okay. Okay, shallow depression's all right, Jack. Don't worry about it.
It's not more than a meter deep.
That's okay, Jack.
Okay.
Stay there.
Alrighty. It looks pretty good to me.
Okay, good enough.
It's just, Bob, it's really in detail. The meter and half meter scale relief is a little more than we can stand here for a good sight. But I think this will be all right.
Okay, copy that. We're ready to press on with ALSEP interconnect. And Dina, how you doing on that fender?
Bob, I am done. If that fender stays on, I'm going to take a picture of it, because I'd like some sort of mending award. It's not too neat, but tape and lunar dust just don't hang in there together.
Okay, copy that.
Well, let's hope. Keep your fingers crossed, and I'll be more careful around the fenders.
Okay, copy that.
Whoops. Bob, I'm going to do one other thing real quick here. I got to dust my visor off. Gene, you want me to do that? No, I can do it. I just do it right here. I only have to do it in a couple places right in front of me. That didn't do much good, did it? Someone should have told me that. That just really screwed it up. Okay. Bob, you might ought to be thinking of a good way to clean that visor when I get in the cabin.
Okay, we'll put someone on that.
Okay, elevator equipment check. Blankets are open 100%. TV sunshade is on. Step receiver antenna nav cable. We got 4, 5, 6, and 7 on the charges. TGE, I got 3 measurements complete. I got the drill, the bag, and the neutron flux. The TV camera, I'm taking it away from you.
Okay, roger.
Sorry about that, Ed. Okay, mode switch is going to 1.
Roger.
Okay. Mode switch is 1. I'm ready to drive to the ALSEP.